Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for part 2 of the home buying process, I will be showing you what it was like going through to the design center. And the design center is where we go to basically design our house. So we choose the countertops, the types of bath or shower that you want, the type of not the layout, but the colors for the interior, for the exterior, the types of carpet, the type today to the design center. And I can show you guys a little bit of the products that they offered and the design that we chose in terms of the colors, the type of accessories, and stuff like that. So come on along with us as I show you our next step, which is after us purchasing the lot and then us going to the design center to choose the interior and the exterior design, and also the interior accessories, and also exterior, because we also chose the type of lighting that we wanted also on the exterior of the house. So stay tuned to this video.
The refrigerator is going to be the one in the Sonata show.
Okay, the one we saw.
So this is just showing you examples of the different interior finishes. But within your extra package, you have laminate countertop. So this is the laminate. It's not stone. This is the laminate
Yes.
that's included in the kids' bathroom.
Right.
Basement bathroom and kitchen countertop in basement.
But the thing
And that's the one we don't want.
because the surface is okay, it's just what's in between. That's what I don't like. Because after
Right.
water get into it, it just kind of.
It lifts once
it can
water.
Yeah, it lives
Yeah.
once. So
Yeah.
I'm gonna go with the stone.
Right. So within your Style Magic allowance, we budgeted for stone
Yes.
to be upgraded there.
Yeah.
Right.
This is stone.
So we're happy to show home you guys the design center.
So if you want to get this on film, this is showing the different levels. So select is blue. You get select and extra, all included within the 7,900. Anything else without a sticker or a different symbol is an add-on.
Okay.
Okay, so when we take a look here, these are the granites.
Oh.
These are the granites that are in the package, and then you upgrade the other ones.
Yeah. So the
This is what you call the stone?
Yeah.
The granite.
Yeah.
Oh, these names, one of the top ones.
Oh, the top ones?
Yeah.
Alright, okay.
So these, you see how they have a symbol?
Yeah.
Anything with the symbol is included.
Oh.
Yeah. These ones are
Let me see the symbol sheet.
So it's either the blue or not the blue.
Also.
Weave, like a weave.
Oh,
Because it's a
okay, I see.
weave, like a weave.
So those ones are included.
Okay.
Within the 7,900.
Okay. Yeah. For any countertop.
But within your package, the kitchen and master and you're adding a premium to get the other bathroom to be still. You can choose. But these ones are the ones that are
Are these split by prices or are they
They're all the same.
all just the color?
They're all included. Yeah, you just need to choose your color.
So then we can choose between these ones and that one?
Babe, this is the wave.
Yeah, I know, with the wave. Oh. Oh yeah, but we understand.
Yeah. These kind of dark.
Yeah. Yeah. For some reason, I did see something more lighter. But the
You gotta look down here,
lightest.
man. You gotta look down here.
No man, like the style that I like, it's more of okay. You see the what you call it, the paper woman had on the table in the kitchen, the embroidery
Yeah.
stuff. That's how I made that
White
picture.
is.
Yeah, but it has some streaks of dark vein line. Yeah, kind of like this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Don't touch.
I know.
Forgetting. It's so.
It's nice to have a little bit of the black.
So this is the one that Neville likes.
The angles. You know, mean that kind of more something really. You know, where's the base?
Which one?
The angle for the
Yeah, those the fixtures.
want something really, you know, creative.
Something different.
Yeah.
So for the candles over here.
Others.
Like that. So this would be for the
All the cabinets.
to the small drawer. They would have this one too. Okay. I thought they probably have knobs and stuff, but they go with this one.
You can interchange with them, right?
No, we really like the knobs. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
This would be coming like this. Nothing else to really attract. Even sorry, even though the stickers, oh, it's have a deeper indent.
Yeah.
That's the difference, eh?
Keep in mind it may be harder to clean with a deeper indent.